effortless way of manifesting just by being present. And today, we are going to talk about how creation happens in the silence. You're not failing at manifestation, you're just resisting it. Your reality isn't created by effort, it's revealed by awareness. Because all there is just consciousness, and consciousness is the only reality. The result that is shown after you try to change your reality through an effort is not because of the effort, but a ripple effect to the effort you invested. There is nothing in your world which was created through force or effort. Everything was and is created by the force that lies behind the conscious mind. That is just the silence, the stillness of this movement. When you put an effort to make something happen without consciously already accepting it, you are against the flow. And while you are going against the nature is trying to balance it out by giving you more signs to snap back into the realization of who you truly are. If you aren't able to realize, then the energy, the force you invested has to liberate in one or the other form, which is in this case through disappointment. But instead, if you would surrender and realize in your knowing, then this surrender itself will balance out the nature. As you surrender, you will liberate, you heal, align, and you will experience the bliss you wanted. Nature always balances the energies, and if you are in an energy which is against the flow of the present moment, then the nature has its ways to balance it out. That is why you fail so many times to manifest while in an attempt to just change the external reality. Instead of knowing you are already everything you want to be. True bliss is in the realization that the consciousness, which is always the truth of the present moment, that can take any shape or form according to your liking. Your reality is a slave for what you hold as the truth in your consciousness. It has to reflect and obey the consciousness. You are like this ocean. The waves are, of course, a part of the ocean, but you cannot be defined by a particular wave. The wave is just a temporary experience happening to the ocean. When you look deep down, you will discover the undisturbed part of the ocean, which is just water. It's the same as being human. Being human is a wave, it has different forms. But who you truly are is this consciousness, the stillness that lies in the present moment, like the undisturbed part of the ocean, which is just water, and it is the foundation of whatever is going on the surface. Without this undisturbed water, nothing would be possible on the surface. So is it with you taking form as a human with your desires. The source is your consciousness.